how do we solve for x here? Given x squared minus 49 equals to 0. All right, so we have two ways of solving this. We can choose to send this one to this side and take square root on both sides, or we can express this one as difference of two squares, which will be x squared minus 7 squared, which is 49. So when you have x squared minus 7 squared, the same as x plus 7, x minus 7 equals to 0. So with the 0 product, x plus 7 equal to 0, or x minus 7 equals to 0. So the first answer will be x equals minus 7, and this one will be x equals to 7. So in short, x equals plus or minus 7. Subscribe for more.